ebusian for aha Ghana SMTVGH. Mesra or like, comment, subscribe, turning on notifications so that anytime videos of this nature are uploaded, ebusian for hey. Same we are say papa. Hey. Media me just be a semi de bremo. Enti sent na mupe masem because the gist no dey when say the voice nya so camera pe the gist no bebre or the gist no ma we na ma analysis e ka no. Bom say mami. Okay, yankwe. Former policewoman be abeka some serious secret. Edi kire. Na busanfo asem no emu odu. Na busanfo. Afena ye ya tiasie the reason why they say as a president ni ano. Temo amonim no. As they say they on pay lithium biomass they say they odin ni nyina to ahye gold no so. According to sa former policewoman na yo penny for bako police mu no. Onu odineni say fili ehweye. Say sa man asema America no. Ni private jet no mu load gold eko. Ah odi 2 kwa amanoni. Enye se si asemu ase from Jomama 1.0 ton na sa de no koso. Na sa policeman na otwi adwen bra so say aden na ye feel say Jomama oba ye first time this time around no. On fa ye presidential jet na ofa ni jet. Say him say someone peni 2 kwan. Na okọ man fufuro obe mo ni plane because of diplomatic arrangement inti obi an search ni plane. Say monim sa ni bags obi an search. Say monim. Enti say the nyama bi load this private jet na president so ya azanse o mi ko Dubai aba. Na so prasa plane na obi a won say the go dey free on my name ko. Omko do won so a yen search omu my ati say o good be about Dubai say na penny for na Dubai debi. Enti a cool movement coole. Now the same when I treat my dream cause documentary bia as a BBC 4 year about gold mafias no. Amo Africa no. Mukai. Sa documentary am ko twa ntroku Akufado so na Akufado say omo retracting tentem no. As some dealings bisa because to be say won say this can only be the only explanation to the fact that your mama baba no. They say the presidential jet on through or sorry now fa ni new jet ni new akoto jet from so now fa enu so ko then e jet ni mu luggage bin a question na bisa luggage bin na jet ni mu adena jet na e wo ho jata 1 jet no he said there emu nsu biomamu enyeza makofa kese say you lines no da. Na me say na me who line no but na me twin say obi be ka first I na me who say I say ade a me dwin no na me nye wrong sir. They say they aswate. And we are going to tell Ghanaians not all the gold is accounted for. Not all. And it's like catch say your ton gold be $3,000 Ibrah gold born $5,000 per ounce someone who say plain ben fast gold no any come on plain ben question no me see gold here over 18 tons of gold and it's for some matter no jets ben plain ben any times gold any come on kotoy sembisa. Let's go and listen to this old policeman, this former policeman. But before the policewoman, before the Ebusian for you bet boy, your studio I per se total cost near 25,000 Ghana cedis. Kito bien so. Boy, now but now screen I say, now let's go and listen to this woman. I'll see the next one. Cheers.
Na mahama no nyo obi a yenim no dada o nti ya na me won say yetumi tena asia na mahama san be fa kuro no ba de ba kwa me DNPP fo ya ho ne say 2017 and your communication break it down NPP for at asia ye hwe hayama ye ni communication the kai person na do call kwa me se fa kai ho twice or kan ye wan fa anyasem don boy do call kwa me se fa kan ye some communication. Oh, ain't you know, son, I'm not a cry project to be a baby. Now, wouldn't you come who that? So, into communication is the biggest problem for MPP, number one. Number two, Ibrahim, a friend is saying the first plane, no, Chairman San, no, yes, was safe. No matter, not so smart, no, more first one, I'm a hammer plane, man. Second one, Ibrahim Kobe, and Ibrahim, this our plane, a buyer. Number two, I profile law at all say. So the gold, Ecokrobia Swa, and we here who are playing dear, and this will be our settle. 2017 UK government, Bob Ibrahim Mahayi, as to say, on the best businessman, Ghana, because of gold that was cheap at the back Abrochile, Emirates plane, 10 biano, on the gold, Ghana gold, Echo Dubai, Echo Town, in Mahama. Because me minimum office be wo baby a eno ho dwan no mo ya mahama picture ne papa bi a picture e bo ho a eno ano ye boy bi wo ho e no kan say ahreho na chiba fo no be yedan me se mi ankasa me sheda ko ho na me hu gold a ye bada me se me nsia ne kitem na me ka kire wo ho enti Ghana to bia e na ye ma hreho say ye timi tena se bi ejeja ye ho ama bibia to me esti e wo kro no so security are very poor. As I say, NDC for bar, no market can be trouble.
And the gonjani. And the gonjani. A crow anywhere, come anywhere, come sampa, come where, come. Me say, tell me, go school or Ghana, no, me shut up and get your door your home. Your name says, Sabi, mean your way free water region. Your name says, mean your way free incline. You're not nasty, did nobody divide the rule. Running to divide the rule about to Ghana. And NDC for no so twice. Ama omuni pay ba ko se chairman o se secretary ni say water region for nfa o say o mo ya sore o ma sore ni NDC sabi water region your friend is saying ye beto aba no me wo boys bi wo ho wo ka aduane o mu di sabi benku ani meko ye beto aba ye tuni ma obi emo imagine mo no ba ko ya ma na akokọ ba ko ya ma ne 10 cedis because mobo sebi say adwen no na yesi sano ekwan ben so e dey be fa ye be sister Ghana for adwen no mahu enti me de bia na me ka say cycle speakers and tama MPP forward power me kai obi antie me ye first speakers ni ye fa kwa bonten ye indicate Ghanaians ye nchiro mo papa na no mo hu education no hu hia papa because
to naka hypocrisy asem nkame be church hypocrisy ne say wo opposition na waka say presidential jet in pristine condition na waba power na use jet na use me ni ade na nyame boa November meto foforo hypocrisy ne say wo opposition na wo gina fra press conference tietiam say so source ne restricted source enye nipa bonesem nipa kakra bi nanya adwumaye edisikaba nipa kakra bi botom ne nyame ya wadom na oba power ne ya ma opposition say CEO minister me jamfi na ekasai na wo de wakuku restricted sourcing no now they are another government official deputy CEO no sure be ka kire yen say na ono ba ye na deputy chief of staff oba ye na wo ye adwuma ne company ne ngu ana eno na ye hypocrisy ne say wo yonko meso say me awo kan yin of 2024 una my date we say MPP form nipa 90,000 na apply me boa MPP for ahin 12,000 and na omunya adwuma at 90,000 na apply e obi 150 cedis hypocrisy ne say wo start with March year 2026 500,000 na apply nipa ba ku bia wo je no 220 cedis na wa be ka che say obefa mu 10,000 eno ini hypocrisy enura ade a minority leader eka enye sika we kura na amaje ho no na all ka ho asem eno wa candidate nya ade a mu be fi because ono kan say yenye refund no majority leaders mo nye tie no no nanchen minority leader say maji we ye 220 na mo se mo fa emma wo no say 220 na mo ji 500,000 ho no 300,000 aboka say mo say 200,000 na pass your mbeko medicals me boa it is only pa 200,000 o mo so mo ba beji obi 1,500 ana 1,600 ana but in a minority leader eka say 1,600 na mo beji no mumma ni ensanye discussion bi oni yenhwe ne yebeye because it is unfair because only pa 200,000 no emu 10,000 pe na mo befa it ebeka 190,000 a yemfa wo tis only pa 190,000 ye betina se age omu nyina 1,600 ana the fact is say enura isi ye no enchire say ne ense toa so in mo kan say mo kwa mo de epo de in exponential proportions exponential proportions where you raise to the power 10,000 in a moye in a maba be ya no all talk on no ka sa 90,000 na o kwa kwaji 1,600 kan so mo ma boka mienu wakotu 220 ya amfa no o se baba be tua 1,600 ya amfa no e bia na to NDC for ne minority for ni keke de 1,600 plus 2,200 1,820 no enye sika ma omo enti enye hwe but for san kwala ne mrantie na omo bekọ na 190,000 no mebọ ne de eye biribi ma omo eye sika enti ye wo kwan bi so ye betini aye medicals na yenji omo sika but obi an go through se wo wie na upase a na watua se na ebe ya ania ono no empass no yensan emu no mra nisu ene ho asem ne ye ka e ma me kan jira ya ne MPP for ye ene ntina mo ba ye mo so be better Muslim resetting Ghana and then 500,000 people are here doing sick and then we reset no. Hey, but you mean here we say.
And the woman when the woman now do young people here and I'm better on what kind. The thing I be bet you in a muka. Now me bet you in a muka, most of my man will go to be by 40 years. Because my man before 24. And I don't want to be in Kabi. I'm going to bed to me.
More fire.
Chimmy no, and someone how come now do better than I do NDC for this year. I was any other no. We are hypocrite and cassa. Because fearful, impressive for when you me. When you be a guy to go back on Japan. What do you back on Japan? Jimmy no. What's the Ghana Hong was fearful, was someone. Ibrahim Hammer. Nanad no one Kaninia. I could gold mine. And come on, car. Was your plan to be dressing in the motive? Was fearful and crassiful. When Jimmy now would go Ghana on a do a bit so the Amunica. Hypocrite, among before. What the mobile could you make was yourself? Muslims are cross from Mamma farm. Oh, Jimmy do. Only a hypocrite. We don't need them. I see a power for you. Men go to me and make a woman and drop a good sign like this. So, young man, because they are liability to Ghana. One case I from near something. One case I tribe member. I can show double TV show. Never tell how to be that time. I can't want to me have seen it. And one chamwa. And Manashuma, how much you want to be? That one a got it in day. I'm a tongue go do cocoa. And the car was something. There was strategy that can only charge the right. Was fearful. Jimmy, now what can we are in country? Was fearful. If I can somewhere didn't know. One ring your mind. When I want general food. You want general food. Jimmy, tell. Or total. And I come home. Now, when I'm done, I'm gonna execute. Some can see something, Jimmy, something. Oh, someone who punches someone. Now the time we are, and I won't be my hammer time. And I won't be much how to remove by my time. A more punchy. Jimmy Papa. We are nippon to swap, and nippon a dawada, nippon coins. Punchy, I didn't move my enemy. But see a four. What does one in Yansan see you be? Sa energy now. What do you have, Nanado?
Only the same thing. Emphasis Mahama Kasiane so more. Only the area musica. Only the area generation. One not at this mountain with future. What's this all building dynasty? See a fool Jimmy and more. When the answer come the go back on Japan. See a fool. When the answer come the helicopter on Japan and more. Minimum pay.